Hello and good morning, dear colleagues. It is a video for how we can send folder through email. As we know, as per instructions, we have to create folders of taught study materials, delivered study materials, and disseminated study materials to a student through either Edmodo, Zoom, WhatsApp, or etc. And then we have to send these folders to the coordinator of e-library cell of PKRMC Dhanbad through email. The email is already provided in our previous notice. So in this screen recording video, you will see how we can send folder through email. Before going ahead, you people please write down the name of all PDFs, all images that you want to, for which you want to create folders. Actually, it's too simple. You just go to Google Drive. For mobile user, dear colleague, to go to Google Drive, you just open your phone. As I open my phone, there must be an icon of Google Drive on your screen. You can see there is an icon of Google Drive in my phone. If no icon on your phone, no problem. Go to Google Chrome. You just type here Google Drive, and search. Again, a new page opens. In this page, there is a My Drive. So you click on My Drive. Actually here already one of my email account is selected. Press OK. Actually, number of folders I have created earlier. So, but you have to create here a new one. So create plus. Here again a new page opens. The first icon is for the creation of folder. So you create the first icon. You rename according to your choice. Suppose I rename it ABCD. Then you click on create. It is created. If it is not seen in your screen, just you can scroll up or down. I think it is alphabetically arranged, so it must be on the top. ABCD. Yes, it was actually created by me. Just click on this folder, so the folder opens. Now my target is to what we can say, to fill with different PDFs, different images. So to add different images or different PDFs or different files, here you click on plus. When you click plus sign, again a new page opens. You click on upload. You choose. Suppose I want to upload this one. If again you want to upload one more file, you choose plus, then upload, then suppose file you can choose. Similarly, if you want to create one new folder, again come back, again create plus, again choose folder, again you can rename A B C D E, again click create, again it is created. Thus your file is created, and thus you can you can fill these folders with different files. Now suppose I want to share this through email. Click on folder, it is selected. When it is selected, three dots we can see on the right top, yes, you can copy the link. Actually the link for this folder is copied, and then you can paste in your WhatsApp or in your mail, and then you can send. It's too simple. Okay, thank you.